What's up, YouTube? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our winter garden, and we just gonna do a quick update and see how's everything going. Now, this is this mystery plant we got here that still looks like a tomato. As you can see down in there, you can see there's something growing. And we still got our peppers growing. They're getting a little bit bigger, but we're not gonna bother them. This piece had broke off here, and I went ahead and replanted it. So hopefully it'll catch root and do what it needs to do. Whew. And we still got our peppers still. Our potatoes are still out here. They haven't really did anything else. And we still got our marigolds. They haven't died out yet. Now we're gonna take a look at the broccoli. All right, we look here at the broccoli. I don't see any growing yet, but they look healthy, and they love the cold weather, so they're doing good. Oh, look at, would you look at there? Look at there, y'all. We got broccoli. We got broccoli. All right. Y'all do what y'all do then, broccoli. We got some broccoli. And then we go here, look at our champion greens, which is still doing good over here. Yeah, they getting healthy. Peas, sweet peas. They're growing, but I don't see nothing on them. All right, y'all, this concludes our, wait a minute. I forgot to show y'all the greens. Oh, look at the greens, they look very healthy. These are collard greens. I think this will be the 9th time I'll be able to get some out of these. And look, there's something growing here as well. All right, y'all, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like, follow, comment, and subscribe on the videos if you would like to continue to see more content like this from the garden of 2024. Catch y'all in the next one. Peace. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you follow and turn on post notifications so you can always catch when I go live. And as always, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.